Okay, you guys, so most of you wanted to see this room before I paint it. So here it is, uncut and raw, and here you go. Okay, you guys, so all the items that you're looking at right now came from Home Goods. My bookshelf actually came from Rooms to Go. I'm going to try to place a link above on the bookshelf itself when I received it. Actually, most of the items on this shelf actually came from Home Goods except for the Z Gallery pumpkins. And the Dollar Tree gold pumpkins that you just saw. The actual circular accent piece came from Pier 1 about maybe 3 years ago. Okay, you guys, now I see my books that's on the shelf. The books actually came from Z Gallery as well as the bookends. This white vase and the floral arrangement that you see in the white vase also came from Z Gallery. The white candle holders came from Ross as well as the candles came from Ross. The actual stand that the vase is sitting on came from Pier 1. All the wall art in this room actually came from Home Goods. This chair actually came from Home Goods. I so love this chair. It's acrylic, it's clear, which doesn't take away from the space in this room because this space is so small. All my pillows that's in this room actually came from Home Goods as well. Actually, pretty much all the decor in this room came from Home Goods. I do have a few items in here such as the Z Gallery pumpkins that came from Z Gallery. I do have a couple of items in here that came from At Home, but majority actually came from Home Goods. I'm actually going to do a full pan around of the room so you can just get an overall picture of how the room looks. Now my husband is really loving the colors, the paint colors in this room, but I'm like the total opposite. I love the neutral color wall colors, so I'm pretty much probably going to paint this room like a neutral color so that I can use like different color accent pillows with the gold and white decor, because right now my accent pillows are peach. Okay, so here's that pan around of the room. So here's the desk items. The owl that's on the desk actually came from At Home. Actually, the acorn and the little floral arrangement came from At Home. And that welcome sign actually came from At Home as well. The items that's the tray and all the items on the tray actually came from Home Goods, except for the hourglass and the pumpkins actually came from Z Gallery. My desk came from Rooms to Go. If you guys have not subscribed to Homebody, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I have a lot of contents coming up within the next few weeks because Christmas is my favorite holiday and I am about to start decorating for Christmas. Okay, you guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.